Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BIM for Construction. So I hope you all are doing good. So in this today Revit Architecture episode, we'll be discussing about the curtains wall, how you can create the different curtain panels with different colors. So in our previous videos, we have discussed already in detail that how you can create those curtain walls, how you can add a double door or a single door or any kind of window on those particular curtain panels in detail. So today in this lecture I will be only focusing on how to change the material for any curtain panels here. So as you can see here, if we want to give a different colors, let's say in the this one we want to change as blue, then in the below we want as a green, then how you can change those glass color. So for that, simply you have to click on the any one of the panel, glass panel. Let's say we are clicking this upper part by tab. By pressing the tab, you can select the different element of any particular this curtain wall. Let's say by pressing tab we have selected this glass panel. This is our first step. Then we have to unpin it. This is our second step, because without unpin we can't change the properties of this system panel that is glazed right now. So first of all we have to make it unpin. After unpin, you can see here now we can change this glass panel as per our requirement. So if you want to make it solid, then by default in the Revit there is a solid available. You don't need to create it separate. So as we have selected right now solid, so it will be a solid part, not a curtain glass panel. Okay, but we want it to be different color. We don't want to be solid. So for that, again I am selecting it by pressing tab, then again unpin this, the next one I have selected right now. So whatever the panel you are selecting, you have to make that panel first unpin from above. After that you can only change the property. So right now we are having glazed and solid only two in this system panel. Okay family, so we will be creating more families as per our requirement. So we'll be going to edit type. After edit type, you can see here right now we are having only two system families, glazed and solid glaze. So first step, after that edit type, you have to open and duplicate it as a second name, because we don't want to change all the existing properties in one time. So we'll be making it as a, let's say if we want to give the blue color, then we'll be making it as a glazed blue. Okay, from here, so we have renamed and we have created one more family, system family, for the system panel. Now after creating it, the next step we have to change the material. To change the material, here you can see in the material properties, here we will be going to glass. Okay, in glass you can see right now this material it is using. Okay, so this one as a we can say very little grayish color it is having. You can also see here blue green. So we want to update it as per our requirement, let's say blue. So for that one, either you can duplicate material asset from here, and you can name it as a glass blue, let's say glass blue, and here we will be choosing the blue color as per our requirement. Okay, so for that one I'm clicking on the custom. You can click on the custom. After that you can click on this custom color and you can choose any of the color as per your requirement from this panel. Okay, you can adjust the color as per your requirement here from this tool also. Okay, then done, finish. After that you can adjust more settings, more parameters for here. Let's say if you want the reflectance to be more clear, so in this case whatever will be inside, the reflectivity of this glass will be increased. So you can see here reflectance, whatever is inside, you can see here the blue color, the reflectance of the glass we are increasing. So the color of this you can say glass is also like it is reflecting the objects nearby it. So you can change the reflectance as per your requirement. Okay, then we are having a sheet of glass option here. So also you can adjust this parameter as per your requirement. Okay, then here we are having the information, description and everything that you can if you want to fill or custom, then you can fill here, otherwise no need to change those. Okay, and if you want the same color to be shown in both the visual style that we are having, if you go here in the visual style, we are having shaded option, then we are having the realistic option. So in both case we want the same color, so you have to click on this one, use render appearance in the graphics option also. Okay, so we'll be choosing this one. We have selected this color, apply. Okay, so this color will be applied. As you can see here, material is updated, glass blue, apply. Okay, so you can see here now if I am selecting this panel again, and if I go to here right now glass blue, we are having the material we have updated. So the color is right now is not clear. So I'm going again, edit type, here glass blue, then from here we have to make those custom changes. So if you click on the shaded visual style, as you can see here, we are using the shaded style right now. So you can see here this glass having a blue color, little blue color as per our new material created inside. Let's say if you want to reflect it as a proper bluish in the realistic version also, then how you can edit those? We'll be going to edit type again. So we'll be selecting again this panel, because right now the properties from the Autodesk Revit library, this glass panel is using, that is the glazing. Now we'll be using the smooth, so in that you can clearly see the color changes. So let's go to glass blue again to change any of the existing material properties, because every material that we are choosing from the Autodesk library, it has some properties. So let's say you have to go to appearance library. For glass, you will be seeing this section. For the glass, here you are having the glazing, smooth or texture. So let's say I'm using smooth. Here for this one, I'm choosing the blue color. By clicking on this arrow, you can replace the current asset in the editor. So this asset will be replaced. Okay, this is how. So for this new material that we have, material asset that we have browsed from this library, you can see the different type of parameters are available there. So as per that, you can now control the parameter as per your requirement. You can change, you can see the changes also here in the preview displayed above. So let's say we are choosing this as a blue color, then we'll be clicking here okay, and this material will be clearly visible right now with you. Okay, so you can see that earlier we are using the glazing. Now this time we have replaced the material asset from the library with the smooth texture. So this is how you can change the color of your any existing panel. Let's say for the below one we want the different color. We'll be again clicking, unpin this, go to edit type. This time again duplicate the material, duplicate, let's say green. Okay, again we will be going to material. So last time we have duplicated the material asset, this time we will be creating without duplicating. So for that you have to create here, create new material. Okay, after that you will be renaming this one. Let's say we will be renaming this one as a glass green. Okay, finish. Now we have to update this material properties. So we'll be going to the material browser, asset browser again, appearance library, then we'll be going to glass. Let's say smooth or texture, whatever you need as per your requirement. Let's say smooth, we are selecting green one will be selecting here. We have replaced the asset library. Now again the same things, you can change the parameters as per your requirement. Okay, done. From here apply. Okay, and we'll be seeing those changes here again for the selected curtain panel. So as you can see here, now the color we have changed is visible here. If I click back, the green curtain color now has been applied to this particular panel. So you can simply again select those, the left, whatever you are having, you want to change the color, you can update from the library itself. And again, now we have already created, so we can simply select the different columns and we can click on the rest one as per our requirement. Let's say these all you can unpin, and then you can select from the system properties browser here, and you can change those color as per your requirement. So this one, if you want to change, again unpin from here, we'll be selecting blue from here. So this is how you can create a different curtain panel with different colors. So if you want more colors, then the same process you have to follow. Okay, and also if you want to change the thickness, also you can change from here. Simply you have to go to edit type, thickness parameter is also available here. You can change the thickness of the glass panel as per your requirement from here also. So this is all about today video, in which we have discussed about how to change the curtain panels color as per your requirement. I hope this video clears your doubt. Thanks for watching.